how long can I put a vertical piece in and how long will it burn? I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to let this burn out and then I'll light it up again tonight in another video. I just put in 2 pieces of bamboo. Battery saver mode. Okay, we're losing it. Put in one more piece of bamboo. And whenever this all burns out, it's going to burn out. I'll just restart it again tonight after dark because it was so cool letting that in and seeing the looks like it was burning in this end because it reflected beautifully all the way down from the stainless steel. Now it's smoking down there at the bottom. That's kind of weird. Either smoke is exhaust. I got to check that in to make sure it's still connected right. It could be disconnected. Either the blanket is burning or something going on that I don't want to go on. That shouldn't have any smoke down there at the bottom there. So it might be, kind of looks like the pipe got disconnected. I don't know. Still flowing a little bit, but not that good, not perfectly so. Okay, I'm gonna shut this down and call it good for right now, and then do it again later. So if this gets uploaded, if these get uploaded, I'll be doing another stream. I might do a live stream tonight, but I'll definitely do more video. Okay. This is Jerry Diamond. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. This is a beautiful idea, wonderful idea because this can save a lot of lives. You know, if you can imagine sleeping in a junky old Walmart tent, you know, and yet being able to be warm. And I knew a family of 5 boys, man and wife, and they were living it down in the National Forest in a Coleman tent, and the Coleman tent was leaking like a sieve, and I never saw them again. They came to visit me at a farm in 2018. Never saw them again, never heard from them again. That really concerns me, what happened to them. You know, social services got involved because they weren't treating their kids good enough or something. Somebody ratted them off, you know. Rats a dying breed. It's starting to smoke out this one. Ooh, something's burning in this end. How can it be burning in this end? That's no weird. There's nothing in there. Okay, I got to do some troubleshooting here. All right, bye-bye. God bless.